Today, unlock a level of creative synergy by learning how to flawlessly integrate your After Effects compositions into Premiere Pro. First, we are going to focus on the After Effects side of the process with your composition ready in After Effects. Go to the Composition menu. At the top of your screen, hover over Add to Render Queue. This action will open the render queue located at the bottom of your After Effects interface here. Find the Render Settings tab and click on it in the Render Settings box. Ensure your settings are optimized for your specific project. You can often choose a default render setting to start with. Now, let's choose the best format for exporting. Click the Output Module drop-down, typically set to lossless in the Output Module menu. Select a format like QuickTime for its high quality and versatility, while keeping the original alpha channel. Beneath the Output Module, focus on the Output to section. Click on the text next to it to specify where the rendered file will be saved on your computer. Name your file something descriptive and choose a location you can easily locate, then click Save. Finally, and this is the most important stage, go ahead and click the Render button. Once the rendering is complete, you can go into Premiere Pro. Next, open your Premiere Pro project or create a new one. Go to the File menu, then select Import or press the shortcut Ctrl+I or CMDI. Locate the rendered file that you previously saved from After Effects, select it, and click Import. Your render After Effects composition is then imported into your Premiere Pro project. Simply drag and drop it onto your timeline. You have now successfully integrated your After Effects composition into Premiere Pro. Using this seamless integration, you can now efficiently create amazing videos. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.